Hi friends, welcome back to Mymoonas kitchen with Shaariq, and today this is a minicoy recipe and it's called ekko in minicoy, and let's see how to prepare it. For preparing this recipe we need 150 grams of beans, 150 grams of carrot and 200 grams of potato, 4 big onions sliced, 5 to 6 green chilies and 3 to 4 tomatoes cut into pieces. Half kg boneless tuna fish, 1 poured curry leaf and biryani leaf, 4 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. For marinating the fish we need turmeric powder and salt, and now let's marinate the fish. Keep it for half an hour. Now it's half an hour and I am switching the flame, and now I'll pour a little bit of coconut oil. I'll do shallow fry. We have to turn the fish and fry it also. See how it is. The fish is ready, and now I am getting a very good smell of tuna fish. Take the fried fish in a plate and keep it aside, and clear the vessel. Don't use the same oil. Now I am freshly pouring some coconut oil, and now we can stout the onion, green chilies, stout the onion until golden brown. And now we can add curry leaves. Also along with it add the biryani leaves. Stout them well after adding all the leaves, and when the onion turns into golden brown, add ginger garlic paste. Now stout them until the raw smell of ginger garlic paste goes, and when it's ready you can add tomatoes. Use a lid so that all the water does not go from the onion, and now it's ready to add tomatoes. Here I am adding the tomato pieces. After adding the tomato, cover it and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes, and now you can see how it looks after 4 to 5 minutes. The tomato is cooked well. And now I'll add beans and carrot, potatoes, Mix them well and cover it until the vegetables are cooked. After 2 minutes, we'll check it and add the salt as much as required and mix it well. Again cover it and let it cook well. The vegetables are cooked well now and we can add the dry ingredients. 3 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder. If you want it a little spicy, you can add 5 teaspoons. And now we'll add garam masala 1 teaspoon. Also half teaspoon cumin powder. And half teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix them well. After the masala is mixed well, add the fried fish and mix it well and cover it for a few minutes so that the aroma of the fish goes to all the vegetables and it tastes extraordinary. Meanwhile, also cook the rice. Now the vegetables are cooked well and it's time to add the rice now. I am adding 750 grams of rice. You can add as much as you want. So after mixing you can see how it looks. It's so yummy and it's very tasty. You can serve it with salad and papad or pickle. I hope so you guys love this recipe. If you like it, try it and let me know your comments in the comment box. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Also press the bell icon. Until next, take care. Bye bye.